In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the AWS Management Console in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an experienced user or someone accessing AWS for the first time, following these steps will help you swiftly log into your account and get started with whatever tasks you need to accomplish. Let's begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer. That could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever application you typically use to access the internet. Now, in the browser's search bar, you can simply type AWS Management Console and press Enter. This should bring up the AWS Management Console's login page in the search results. Alternatively, if you prefer to skip the search and head directly to the page, you can enter https console aws.amazon.com/ into the address bar. This link will take you straight to the login page. Once you arrive at the login screen, you'll be faced with a choice that is crucial to carrying out the login process correctly. You need to select whether you are logging in as a root user or an IAM user. If you're unsure which one applies to you, here's a quick explanation. A root user is the account owner who has unrestricted access to all of the AWS services and resources in your account. On the other hand, an IAM user is an identity and access management user who has been granted specific permissions set by the root user or an administrator. Choose the appropriate option based on your user type. If you're logging in as a root user, simply enter the email address associated with your AWS account, followed by your password. If you're logging in as an IAM user, you'll need to enter the account ID or alias along with your IAM username and password. This step is important to make sure you're accessing your account correctly. Once you're logged in, you'll be routed to the AWS Management Console. The console is your starting point for accessing all of AWS's features, from computing power to database services and beyond. It can seem a little overwhelming at first due to the sheer number of options available, but remember, you can always use the search bar at the top to quickly find the service you need. Additionally, AWS offers a range of tips and tutorials to help new users get acclimated. They provide a wealth of information right there on the console page, making it easier for you to dive in and start working without feeling lost. At this stage, you should now be logged into your AWS Management Console and ready to start handling all of your cloud services needs. Whether you're launching an EC2 instance, setting up S3 storage, or analyzing data with AWS's powerful tools, it all begins with successfully logging in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in getting you started quickly and efficiently with AWS.